I'm going to start recording soon. So let's set this up. Bam, we are recording and a magical whiteboard appears in my office. Life is good, and I'm doing this not for naught because I'm recording. Done this 3 times today. And okay, we're almost done. Okay, so today is a half day at George Ranch, so easy lesson today. I'm only going to do a couple of these. All you're doing today is a review of this. You don't have discrete or continuous, so you're writing down the domain and the range and if it is a function or not. So on this first one, underline your x's, okay? Do any of those repeat? None of them repeat, so it is a function, and write down the x's do not repeat. That's the easiest way to figure out if it's a function or not, okay? Then remember, your domain and your range, you use the braces and you put them smallest to largest. So my smallest domain is -8, then it goes to 2, right? And then 4, 5, 6, right? So you write your domain and range from smallest to largest, okay? Okay, the next one, the range. Let's look at the range. The smallest range is -6. And then the next smallest is -4, and then -2. And remember, if the range repeats, you only write it down once. Piece of cake. You should be able to do the rest of those. I'm going to do, let's do one of these, and you can finish the rest up. Is this a function? This one is a function, right? Because each of these has one arrow going away from the domain. So this would be yes. Write down the x's do not repeat. Remember, this would be called a mapping. This would be your domain. This would be your range. Piece of cake. Your domain, and put them in braces and put them in order from the smallest to the largest. So this is my domain. My range would be just 2, 6, and 7. That's how you write down your domain and range. Piece of cake. If this arrow comes away twice, like on this one right here, the -3 would go to the 2, and the -3 would go to the 6. This one would not be a function, would it? Because the x's repeat. Okay, piece of cake here. You do the same thing for these. Just write down the ordered pairs. Get your domain and range. I would write down the ordered pairs on the left. So let's just do it. And I would start from left to right. So I'm going to dot all these, and I'll just start you off on one of them. Piece of cake today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. So my first order pair is -5, -4. My second order pair is -3, 1. This one would be -1, -3. Remember, you go left or right, then you go up or down. Left or right, up and down. That's different than slope, which is up or down and to the right. The next one would be 0, 3. That would be our y-intercept, wouldn't it? The next one would be 3, 4. And the last one would be 4, -3. Okay, so that right there would be your domain and range. Notice none of these dots are on the same vertical line. It would be a function, right? So you're going to do the rest of this on your own today. It is going to be F-U-N-N, fun. Just like eating an Oreo cookie. Have a wonderful weekend. Remember, you are amazing. You are created to do wonderful things, and you are awesome.